Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Guys, I'm in a place called CIT Road, right? That's the main road there. And I spotted this, street food corner here. So I'm gonna go and explore this, food here and show you. If you're watching my vlog for the first time, please subscribe. Let's go guys. Right guys, so here we are, right? That's the main road there, right? I'm in a place called CIT Road and I spotted this, street food corner here. So let's see, what are these brothers are selling over here. Hello brother, how are you? Cool brother. So look guys, so this is the dough, he's rolling it, right? And they fry this right over here. Look guys, this is called the puri. Okay, let's go. Let's explore this place here. So that shop there, they are making the puri there and they sell it over here, right? Look guys. This one is called the singara, right? In Kolkata you call this singara, but all over India you call this samosa, right? So this is the puri. And these are the sweet items here, right? Look guys, there's a place for you to sit and enjoy a meal, right? This is how it is. And you see this curry here is called the bhaji. And if you love tea, they even sell tea over here, right? So this brother is making the tea over here, right? And here in Kolkata, people love to drink tea in this, mud clay pot. You call this bhar, right? This is how it is. And this one is the gulab jamun, right? It's a sweet dish. And you see this milk here, right? They're gonna use this whole, pot of milk to make tea. It's crazy. People here in Kolkata, they love tea, Hello, brother. Kaise ho aap? How are you? Hello, hi. So they even sell, rice curry. Look, guys, This is how it is. So they even sell, bhaji puri, and they have, rice, fish, chicken, So this is the authentic street food here. And this one is the, fried fish. This is how it is. So it's packed, guys, so I'm gonna go out and show you from outside. Look guys. So it's very simple, they have the dough here, right? Is rolling the dough here, right? And they fry this in this, big pot here. You see this vessel, right? This vessel is called the karai here in Kolkata. And people here in Kolkata, they love to eat this food here, right? So this is how it is. Just look at the crowd, guys. The crowd is insane, And these are the sweet items, This one is called this gaja, right? Gaja, This is how it is. Hello, uncle. Cool. And guys, just look at this massive pot of curry. They're gonna finish that, right? So people love their food so much, right? Now look, just look at the crowd. The crowd is insane, guys. And you see that green, sauce that is made with, coriander and chili, right? So they give you this kachori with the curry there, and that green chutney. This is the sauce, right? So this is how it is. Okay, brother. Bye bye.
लेके जाना बोलना है ना
And look, guys, this brother is, making something here as well. So, what is this?
Chicken kebab.
Guys, look, this brother is, putting the chicken, it's called the chicken kebab and this wooden skewers. Look there. I'm gonna show you. Look, guys. Okay, brother. Have a good day. Bye bye. Right, guys. That was me trying to show you the authentic street food that you get here and the street of Kolkata. Right. I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. It's your friend John. Let's make memories. Love, peace. I will see you in my next vlog. And please subscribe, guys. Bye bye.